and it is raining, so I feel right at home. It's like I never even left. So I'm headed probably to the baggage claim / customs area, and I'm excited to get a new stamp in my passport. I checked into my hotel and I couldn't get into my room, so I just dropped off my stuff, and then I was looking up things to do, and one of the synagogues that I wanted to see was like right by my hotel. I literally just walked like 1 minute and now I'm here, so I'm gonna try to figure out how to get inside, and hopefully it doesn't cost too much money, but it's a really beautiful building. So there are 3 bunk beds. Sorry if that made you dizzy. That one is mine. And I just have a pillow, blanket, and then my shit. My water bottle and stuff, and then there's a window, and someone is staying there, and someone is staying here, but I think the rest might be empty. So right now I am walking around with some friends that I met at the hostel, and we are in front of this really beautiful, like, large church, and we are walking by the river to the Parliament building and then to like a little Holocaust memorial thing, and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel and get ready to go to the baths. We made it to the Parliament building, and it is super, super beautiful. So I made it, and I'm here, and that building is the baths. And it is so pretty. I cannot wait to get inside, and there's like this nice park, and it's only like 50 degrees, but because it's been so cold in Amsterdam, I'm like basking in the sunlight. It's incredible, and I can't wait to get in. We're at the baths, and I'm standing outside right now, even though it is so cold, because I wanted to show you guys the full view. So that's one of the pools, the other one is back there, and there's this like beautiful castle that wraps all the way around, and it's gorgeous. And I tried to take some pictures, but none of them came out good, because isn't that how life always goes? Yeah, so I'm heading out probably now because I'm cold and tired. And so cold, my feet are so cold. But I had the best time, and I think I see my towel over there, and I'm running. Cool about traveling alone is that you can kind of like do and see what you want when you want. So I saw this House of Houdini museum, and I'm just like, okay, like I love magic. I've always been really fascinated by magicians and that kind of stuff, so I went in and I saw like a little show that they had, and like a little exhibit about Houdini, and that's really cool, because if I was here with someone else, they would be like, no, like that's stupid, like I would rather go see, you know, the castle and stuff. But for me, I was really interested in seeing that, so that's honestly pretty cool. And I think I'm gonna grab some food. I'm gonna walk like up and down this street. And I just got off the train in Amsterdam again. I'm walking to my house, my apartment, and it's already raining. I told you guys, it rains every day, and I am not excited to get back to that weather.